Hey guys, this is how to add business location on your Instagram account. So let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open your Instagram and log into your account, of course, and then simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Click on the settings. Now here at this interface, simply click on the account option here and scroll all the way down at the bottom and click on switch to professional account. Then you have to simply click on the continue option for 4 times, and right after that you have to just select for your business category like I am selecting here this one. Simply click on done. It will take about 30 seconds. So right after that you will be here at the most important step to create a business location on your business account. You must select here the business option and then simply click on the next. This is the most important step to set a business location for your business account on your Instagram. So then you will be here at this interface. Here you can see an option of business address. Simply click on it and yes, here you will be able to add your business location here. Like you can add here the street, your city or your town, and then you can also be able to put here the zip code of your city or your town. So after putting your business location here, you have to simply click on the save option at the bottom, and yes, it's done. And guys, that's all for this video. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.